Today I am going to highlight 3 recent features added to the Zenphi toolset. First is an action called Set Run Name. We recommend, as a best practice, that this action be included in each flow. This action allows you to set the name for your flow using either static information or information from previous actions using the token picker. Once set, the output of this action will be written as the run name when looking at recent runs. It is recommended to place this action as one of the first actions of the flow. This allows for easier troubleshooting. Next, we have added the ability to add technical notes to individual actions. This allows you to outline the technical aspects for your design at the action level. Teams now have the ability to collaborate together on both flow design and ownership. To access this feature from within a flow, simply right-click on the action and a menu will appear. Input your data and click Save. A blue speech bubble next to the action signifies a notes entry. Notes can also be accessed via the left vertical toolbar. Lastly, misconfigured actions are now flagged with an alert window in the upper right of the Flow Designer. Clicking on the warning will open a window on the left side of the screen which lists all the actions which require corrections.